Hello and welcome to this video where I compare VideoXpress AI to Eva AI. Both are text to video softwares, but let's see which one is most appropriate for you. So I'm in VideoXpress AI, and the first thing we can do is we can set our project to landscape or vertical, and we need to create an image to change it from text to video. So if we go to create with AI, we can either do create from prompt, or we can go straight from one of our own images to a video. However, for most people, it's going to be create from prompt. So we need to put in our positive and negative prompts, and we need to set the orientation as landscape or vertical. So I'm going to do woman in an office working on a project, and for negative prompts I'm going to put bad hands. The image type is human, and I can pick a style. I'm going to go for cinematic, and we can click to extend the prompt or just generate the image. I'm going to click generate the image. So VideoXpress AI has made a picture for us, and it will go to a public gallery by default, so I'm going to say no to that. And I'm going to say the video has a forward facing person, and I'm going to click reuse the same character, because what we can do is we can have a consistent character. I don't need to do a face swap. And if I click video length booster, I'm going to get a longer video segment, because video segments aren't very long with text to video. And I'm going to click create video. Now I'm going to do exactly the same in Eva AI, and we'll see what that looks like. And don't worry, I am going to cover the pricing by the end of the video. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to head over to Eva AI, because the rendering will take some time. Now, before I go over to Eva AI, you do get a notification in VideoXpress AI when your video is ready. So I'm in Eva AI, and we can do a little bit more in Eva AI. We've got TTS here. We've also got AI avatar videos that we can make through Eva AI if we want to. So I can just make a AI avatar video if I want to, but I'm going to go back, because while that's quite useful, we're here to do simple text to video. So I'm going to click on Generate AI Media Eva. Now it works exactly the same. We need to firstly generate an image or upload an image. So I'm going to put in woman in an office working on a project, select image. I'd like a horizontal, and with this we get 4 possible outputs. So I'm going to click on generate. So here are our 4 possibilities. They're absolutely fine. They're a bit different from VideoXpress AI, but I like this one the most. Now what we can do is we can create variations. We can download it, we can upscale it, or we can make it into a video. I'm going to create some variations. So I've clicked on variations, and I'm going to click generate. So I can see here we've got our 4 variations, and they're perfectly good, but I think this one's probably the best. So I'm going to click on create video, and now you'll notice I'm in the video space. I still want horizontal. I don't want to do any face swapping. So what I'm going to do here, I need to select 4 or 8 seconds. I'm going to select 4 seconds, and I click generate. Now there are other things we can do. We can upload a file and have this person do some lip syncing, and we can also do some face swapping as well if we want to. And it supports files up to the size of 100 megabytes, which is really good. So I've headed back to VideoXpress AI while I'm waiting for that generation. You can see here we're prompted, so I'm going to click on show me. And here is our woman in the office. I'm going to drag this down to the timeline. What I like about VideoXpress AI is you do get a timeline, and you get various editing features as well. So let's look at this. So we only get about 3 seconds, but that's typical with AI video. So we can put it on timeline, and we can put multiple video files and image files there. We also get access to stock if we want, stock video as well, and some audio and some images, and we can search through those. We can add in text animations like a lower third. So I might want to add this. So I need to go here, and I can type in AI video, click next. It generates it, and then I just need to put it onto my timeline. So I can put this down. So I can put a lower third above this, which is really useful. So if I play through this now, we see we get our lower third. We can also add filters on things, so we can do some camera panning, we can do some resizing, some cropping, fades, and all manner of things. We can do fast cuts as well, and if you buy the top version of Video Express AI, you get another login for software that allows you to add automatic captions. So I'm back in Eva AI and we can see our video is generated here. We've got our typical AI problems of the fact that hands aren't very good and things like that. So I'm in the Eva sales site and we can see Eva costs from $279 and there is a $397 package, but you can get $100 off, so that would be $297. So for $20 more, you might as well get the bigger bundle, but that is quite expensive and you get quite a lot of video renders per month, whereas Video Express AI is cheaper because the basic package costs $49 and these are both one-time fees and they've got 30-day money back guarantees, and there's no limits on the number of outputs you can make in Video Express AI, as you can see here. If you buy the more expensive package, you get a few more things like motion brush, object removal, face swapping, automated captioning. You get HD videos, no watermarks, from $49. So which is best for you? If you want to just dip your toe into this, I'd recommend Video Express AI. If you want to have AI avatars and you want an all-in-one package, I would recommend Eva. But for me, I do think Video Express is better value. It's cheaper and it also has a built-in stock and it has a built-in timeline editor. So going back to Video Express AI, I can put lots of little clips together. I can put titles on, I can do transitions, and then I can export it by clicking here and I can export in full HD. So I do think Video Express AI is the better option.